Okay, welcome back with another guide. Today I'm going to show how you can download, how you can root your device that I would like to call Xiaomi device. Okay, how you can root and how you can download. That is very simple way. Here we have a website. Okay, let's see. Okay, follow up it. I will mention the download. I will mention the links. In the video description you can search follow update as well. Okay, we will try to cover up our their topics as well. In our next video we will discuss Adobe InDesign, iOS driver updater key. Okay, for now let's follow up our topic. Our topic is how you can root your device Xiaomi. Okay, here we are noticing back to our home page and the okay, Xiaomi Poco C81. That is a fully rooted, full root discuss. We will share. Okay, first step we will discuss how you can root. Second step how custom ROM. Third is the flash firmware, scatter file, and MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra, Android 14, and HyperOS tool. First, I would like to let you know that the quick answer. This guide covers four things for your Xiaomi Poco C81. Root access via Magisk custom ROM installation, firmware flashing using a flash tool, and scatter file download for MTK devices. Everything you need is in one place. Okay, so we will go. But before, I would like to recommend that you should have fully backup of the device for those who have planned to root their device. Okay, what you should have backup bootloader unlock webs or your data, so backup contacts, photos and files to Google Drive. Okay, or your PC before starting your first step. You cannot recover data after the wipe. So the thing you should have on your desk, that is Windows PC, for run flash tool, SP flash tool, Magisk APK, USB driver, stock firmware, original cable. So you should also keep your battery above 70% before starting because of it is very risky way. And currently I have not this device, so I would like to make a physical tutorial to guide you in very well easy. But I have covered up all the things in phases. So first section is section one, how you can root a Xiaomi Poco C81. Here are four phases. Okay, in the first phase, prepare your phone, unlock via MI unlock tool, phase 3, patch with Magisk. Okay, so section 2, how you can install custom ROMs on Xiaomi Poco C81. Here we haven't make any phases or routes or steps, only just few things you should know. Root your device first using section 1. Above, install a custom recovery and search XDF forum developer for ROM builds. Download the ROM zip and matching Google app package. Boot into custom recovery. Flash ROM zip. Section 3 is that how you can flash Xiaomi Poco C81. So there's a guide I discussed for my audience. I'm download full stock firmware, extract the firmware zip, open SPFlash tool as administrator. Select all partitions for a full clean flash. Power off phone completely. Click start. So section 4 is how you can download and use scatter file for Xiaomi Poco C81. Okay, how you can find and you download the full stock firmware zip, extract zip using WinRAR or 7-zip. Open SPFlash tool, SPFlash tool load all partition automatically. So to guide our Samsung routing and scatter file in full detail. So frequently asked question from my audience, why does Xiaomi require a 7-day waiting period to unlock? Xiaomi uses the waiting period as a thief deterrent. Okay, does booting Poco C81 affect MIUI features? Core MIUI features remain working after routing. Means it will be that will be same. Can I use a specialist tool without a scatter? No. How do I fix a specialist tool? Error 5054 on Poco C81. Error 5454 means the scatter file does not match the firmware file. Download a fresh package and use only. Okay, this is a final decision, and I hope you understand my guidelines and easy for you. So we'll meet in our next video. We'll discuss how Windows 10 interpreter build, and after that, OS driver updater, and after that, in-page download. So that will be our next topics. We'll discuss. That's all for now. Have a time to give our rating. That's all. Thanks for watching.